Tonight, Tampa City Council passed a resolution that would support a person's right to privacy when it comes to getting an abortion. However, it was not the resolution proposed by the lone woman on the council. News Channel 8's Nico Clemens is live for us at City Hall tonight. Nico, what are the differences we're talking about here?
Well, Jen, of course we're talking about Councilwoman Lynn Hurtak. She says, or she tried rather, to get her resolution passed, but she says the other resolution doesn't protect women enough.
I'm disappointed.
An emotional Lynn Hurtak.
It upsets me as a woman. It upsets me just listening to those stories and thinking that that could be me, that could be a friend.
The Tampa City Councilwoman proposed a resolution, and so did the city's legal department. Both say council condemns any action that would get rid of anyone's right to have an abortion. And the city council will not approve funding for actions that would criminalize Tampa residents from making reproductive health decisions. However, there's an added line in legal's resolution, except as may be required by state or federal law. Hurtak believes that negates the point.
And that state or federal law, in my interpretation, meant the 15-week abortion ban. That I've had doctors share their personal stories about the patients they aren't able to help anymore, that they could help before.
Hurtak did not want funding for any organization which opposes legal abortion. And she wanted enforcement towards anyone who wants an abortion a low priority. Both are taken out of the city's legal department's resolution.
It's my health, too. And it's every single woman in the state of Florida's.
Roll call vote.
Council Chair Joe Citro says he voted for the city's resolution because he didn't want to overstep boundaries.
I'm not afraid of any lawsuits to come, but through what we have seen, my clean energy resolution, our apprenticeship resolution, there are people in Tallahassee that are ready to write preemption. Yes.
Motion carried.
He believes Thursday's decision is a win for women.
It was a win for the city of Tampa, and it sent a clear-cut message.
The resolution voted on tonight, it mirrors a resolution that was recently passed in Austin, Texas. The city here still has to modify it, but Citro and Hurtak, they both said they hope to work towards an actual ordinance in the future. Live in Tampa, Nico Clemens, 8 on your side.